Looks like AI design tools just keep on getting better and better because just recently a developer had introduced a fully free new tool called Pencil on X. And this is introducing a new way to design right where you code using Claude Code, OpenCode, and many other AI agents. It might remind you of a tool that we recently covered called Claude Canvas, which turns Claude Code into a visual terminal app. But it is a lot better than what this previous app that we had covered. Pencil redesigns how you design with AI by pairing it with an interactive visual interface. At its core, Pencil is an infinite design canvas for your AI agent, and it lets anyone design, build, and even work on creating apps directly inside your coding environment. So, no more switching back and forth between Figma and code, because you can create UI designs and layouts directly within this canvas just like within Figma or with other design tools. But here's the twist, your design and your code live together. Design files exist directly inside your code repository and can generate real production code with Pencil, whether that's HTML, CSS, React, or whatever your stack uses. But just take a look at this demo, which showcases this further in action. You can move from Figma to code using Pencil, and it's incredibly seamless. You can simply copy your Figma design and paste it into Pencil. All styles, all layouts, all the settings are actually preserved, giving pixel perfect results to Claude Code. And you can obviously use other agents with Pencil like OpenCode or even Cursor. And from there, you can generate code that fits directly into your repository, respecting your project rules and requirements while you stay fully in control throughout this process. And the best part is that Pencil is fully free. It is going to eliminate the manual handoff between designs and development. And it's a new tool that will definitely make your whole process of designing a lot easier, especially having your code written in that same workspace. So I'll leave all these links in the description below and I'll showcase how you can get started. This is something that is currently free to access. It is going to be definitely shifting over to a paid plan in the future because that's how it usually goes. Starts off free, but then ends off being a paid plan. So I guess make the most out of it currently with this free tier. It is available through Cursor, VS Code, Cloud Code, and OpenAI, and you can download it as an application through macOS or Linux, and soon to be available on a Windows operating system as an application. But you can still access it on a Windows device through an IDE like Google's Antigravity, Cursor, or VS Code as an extension. But from what I saw people creating, it is definitely such a remarkable tool, a UI and UX design tool that has an infinite canvas that works with any large language model, any agent to help you build beautiful front ends. And this is what you can actually do with this remarkable tool. Before we get started, allow me to introduce today's video sponsor, Zapier. Ever have a workflow that just clicks? Something that makes your day easier, faster, and way more fun? That's what I found with Zapier. Right now, my favorite Zapier setup is my lead capture workflow. Once someone fills out a form or clicks on an email, Zapier automatically qualifies and enriches the lead. And the most beautiful part, it even automated the process of emailing leads that are potentially convertible, saving me hours every week. Seriously, automation like this is why I keep coming back to Zapier. It's like having a superpower for my day-to-day. What I love the most? Zapier isn't just about connecting apps. With 8,000 plus integrations and AI orchestrations built in, I can mix and match tools my way. Reliable, flexible, and totally independent. This isn't just hype, this is a real world productivity platform. So pick your favorite workflow or integration and see what Zapier can do for you with the link in the description below. Now, personally, I'm on Windows, so I'm going to be actually using it as an extension through an IDE, and I'm going to be using it through Google's Antigravity. This is something that you can install completely for free if you have a Google account. And once you have a Google account, you can install for whatever operating system you have. Once that's installed, you can simply go ahead and open up Antigravity. And the great thing about Antigravity is that you have the ability to access state-of-the-art models completely for free. It is rate limited, but still you can access these great models for free. Now, what you're going to need to do is head over to the extension store and search up the Pencil.dev extension. And you should be able to find it as a top extension listed over here. And go ahead and install this. You can trust the publisher and install at your own discretion. I'm going to go ahead and click that and it should pop up on the left-hand panel. After installing the extension, you're going to need to then activate Pencil with your own email address. So go ahead and register with an email address. After authenticating with your email, you're going to be then greeted with this new pen file. Now, we're going to explain all of this, but the beauty of Pencil is that it works with whatever AI agent you have. Because once you provide the context to your AI agent, you can have something like anti-gravity or OpenCode or even something like Claude Code directly work with the references of your Pencil file. And that is essentially how you can use these remarkable AI agents to have you build out the designs that you're looking for. Pencil already enables so many different UI packages that you can use, like Shadcn, you have Halo, you even have Lunaris and Nitro. And you can use all these different packages to interact with whatever AI agent you want to use to build out anything. You even have the ability to use different sorts of templates that have been already pre-configured for your AI agent to use, which is definitely remarkable. Now, one thing that I also want to note is that there is key bindings that you should keep an eye out for so that you can easily use this workflow better. Now, there's also other sorts of tools with this left-hand panel, like dragging, adding text, adding shapes. These are essentially just going to help you use the canvas a lot better. But just take a look at the MCP connected to the Claude Code extension. And over here, I simply had it use the Pencil MCP to develop a landing page. This is nothing special. This is just a basic template that it was able to create of a landing page, but you can still see how great it ends up being. Here is another example of me simply using the Claude Code extension to help me build out this landing page using the Lunaris packages that have been already present within Pencil. It was able to fully generate all the components, and this blue glaze is currently showing due to it generating the landing page still. But you can see that I was able to send in this prompt directly within Claude Code, which used the MCP of Pencil to collaborate and build out this full-on landing page, which looks actually pretty good. It has generated all the components. It does not look like AI generated slop. And you can see that there's certain mistakes that need to be refined even further, but I can actually tweak that with the canvas itself. You have these different layers that you can obviously tweak, change the theme, the styling, as well as the font size, and make it perfectly aligned to that particular section using these different tools within the canvas. And once you have gotten the style that you want to use for the AI model to actually generate, then you can head over to your AI coding agent, whether that is Claude Code or something like Anti-Gravity, and have it fully build it out after saving the pen file. And that's what I'm currently doing right now because I told it to use the pen file, the Lunaris theme for that landing page. And I told my coding agent, in this case Claude Code, to fully have it coded out so that I can actually access it. And just like that, we have an infinite canvas where we were able to design that landing page and then have a coding agent like Claude Code have us fully coded out. And within minutes, we have a beautiful landing page fully generated. And you can see that this is something that mimicked the exact same style of what we saw previously from the Pencil MCP. There's certain sections that haven't been fully generated, and you can definitely see that. So I'm not going to say that it's 100% perfect, but if I am to refine it and go back into the Claude Code agent, I can tell it that there's certain sections that have been missed, and I can tell it to refine it even further. Now, one thing that you will see is that there's a limitation right now since I'm using the Windows extension through an IDE where I'm not able to properly prompt any sort of generations directly from Pencil because I need to use an MCP server to help me do that. But if you are to use the Pencil application, you're able to generate better designs as the packages are readily available to your AI agent that's built within Pencil. So you can generate better things from the Pencil repository directly. Whereas for me, I have to use the extension. I need to use the MCP server to help me do all of this. If you like this video and would love to support the channel, you can consider donating to my channel through the super thanks option below. Or you can consider joining our private Discord where you can access multiple subscriptions to different AI tools for free on a monthly basis, plus daily AI news and exclusive content, plus a lot more. But that's basically it, guys, for today's video on Pencil. This is definitely a great new tool that has access to different sorts of repositories to help you build the UI that you're looking for. I'll leave all these links in the description below so that you can easily get started. I would recommend you make the most out of this because this is currently free. So definitely make the most out of this. Use all the links that I use in today's video in the description below. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the second channel if you haven't already. Join the newsletter, join the Discord, follow me on Twitter. And lastly, make sure you guys subscribe turn on the notification bell, like this video, and please take a look at our previous videos because there's a lot of content that you'll truly benefit from. But with that thought, guys, have an amazing day, spread positivity, and I'll see you guys fairly shortly. Peace out, fellas.